Alright traders, hello, welcome back and good afternoon. So 12:15. I can't believe it's already the 4th of February, it's pretty crazy. So look, I must have gone over USD CAD on my last video as the last pair. So USD CAD as a short is still a possibility. I don't trade Mondays for the higher time frame stuff, so I don't enter then. I like to see what things are offered, and then the minimum time I'd make an entry would be tomorrow during the London session. So, all that European, I'd be really looking at it a little bit earlier in the afternoon, but I'd be definitely eyeing off something, or maybe nothing. If this pops up, it's on the Tuesday. If it does, then I'm like, well, and especially with the U.S. economic data that came out, I can't quite remember what I just saw the news. It can get a little painful. It can get very choppy. But there's more weakness presented. I'll definitely sell into that, and the stop will be at the 55 moving average here. So I think it's 55. Let's see what it is. Okay, it is. Aussie dollar. What happened here? Okay. There wasn't great lending data out, but it's still intact, the Aussie dollar, from a technical standpoint. Now, I am very bearish on this pair, but I wouldn't sell it. I would not be selling it right here now. I'd let it go. There's a lot of support up here. I'd love to just jump in, but I've done that before, recklessly and impulsively, and this could still run. This could run at 74 cents and defy sense, but that's what can happen. The markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So you've got to be very cautious. To me, there's nothing significant quite there yet. So, and I definitely want to trade more because obviously I've got the prop firm trial. This last month was 2%. This month. And I've got another like 2 weeks to go. I think the 17th of February. So I started the 17th of December, 1 month. I was just over 2%. I think it was like 2.2%, which is not, too good. But it's good for me with my sort of style of trading. But they want a little bit more than that. And then this month so far, at the peak was 3% in unrealized profit. So I had a loss on the Aussie dollar. Then the Aussie and the gold long trades at one point unrealized were 4%. My thought process was, and I have closed them out, but my thought process was, when things are running instinctively, you want to pull money off the table. You don't know. Man, gold could have gone even higher, and so could the Aussie dollar. So I don't actually feel that bad, because you'd be kicking yourself more if you took it off and it ran even more. And it's not really my rule either. Like, it wasn't at a 2R. Nothing was at a 2R, which is sort of what I do, actually. I will really take profit there if it's run, because I'm quite happy. Because that would have been like 8% in the bank, and that would have been great. But things just haven't sort of taken off yet. Now, the pound yen. Yes, the pound yen. Brian. A good friend Brian from Texas. He was talking about this. Or is it Houston? Well, Texas is. Anyway, I butchered that enough. Now, pound yen. There it is. I knew it was there. I missed it. It was like right at the start too. Embarrassing. Okay. Yeah, this actually looks pretty good. So this is, now, the price is above the 55. Again, I'm going to wait till tomorrow. But the pound yen long, and I played this before, it's still intact, this uptrend. So pound yen to conclude will be, actually this is nicer than the US CAD, because the US CAD short, it's hard to tell. I just prefer the pound yen a little bit more. Just with the fundamentals with the US dollar, it could swing pretty aggressively, because it has pushed low for a little while. Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. More updates to come this time tomorrow. I will try and make a video tonight when I get home from work. Unlikely though, I'm finished pretty late or very early in the morning. So that's it. Thanks guys. Bye.